Hello and welcome.
Today, we're going to learn some basic English greetings.
These are words you can use every day to say hello to people. Let's get started. First up is hello. This is a classic and versatile greeting. You can use it in any situation, whether it's formal or informal. For example, you can say, "Hello, nice to meet you," or simply, "Hello, John." Next, we have hi. This is a more casual and friendly greeting.
It's perfect for friends, family, and colleagues.
You might say, "Hi, how are you?" or "Hi there." For the morning, we use good morning. This is a polite greeting to use until noon. For instance, "Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well?" In the afternoon, from noon until around PM, you can say good afternoon. It's a bit more formal. You could greet a teacher with, "Good afternoon, Mr. Smith." Once the evening starts, we switch to good evening. This is used from around PM onwards. For example, "Good evening, welcome to our restaurant." A very common and informal greeting is "What's up?"
This is mostly used with friends and means, "What are you doing?" or "How are you?" A typical response is "Not much, you."
Another friendly and casual greeting is "How's it going?" It's another way to ask "How are you?"
You can reply with "It's going well, thanks."
Let's review. Hello, universal and can be used anytime.
Hi, casual and friendly.
Good morning, use it in the morning. Good afternoon, use it in the afternoon.
Good evening, use it in the evening.
What's up?
Very informal. For friends, how's it going?
A casual way to ask how someone is. Thank you for watching.
Practice these greetings and you'll be speaking English more confidently in no time.
Goodbye.